If your internet is slow, keeps disconnecting, or you're having trouble connecting new devices, a factory reset may help. Today I'll show you how to reset a 5G router. First, turn the router over and find the small reset hole on the bottom. Using a toothpick or a paperclip, press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. Keep holding it until you see the indicator lights change, then release the button. The router will restart, and the reset process may take a few minutes. Keep in mind that a factory reset erases all custom settings, including your Wi-Fi name, password, and any configuration changes. The router will return to its original factory settings, just like when it was first set up. If you're resetting it to fix connection problems or prepare it for a new setup, this is the correct way to do it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.